What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to one how to smartphones tutorial videos on the iPhone 11 and the 11 series. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to record in 4K on the iPhone 11. So first thing we're going to want to do is start off by hitting the camera. Once we are on the camera screen, we will be looking to go, if you are preset on your photo tab, we're going to go select video. And when we're on the video portion, we will see right up here at the top right hand corner, there is an HD and a 30. So if we go ahead and select from HD, just click on where it says HD, it'll show you 4K. That means it's recording in 4K with 30 frames per second. If we select that 30, it switches it to 60 frames per second. So there you guys have it. That is how to record in 4K on the iPhone 11. If you wanted to turn that off, just simply, once again, select that 4K and it goes back to HD. And if you wanted to go from 60 frames per second to 30, just select that 60 and there you have it. So that is my quick tutorial. If you guys found it helpful, be sure to check out that playlist in the description below on the iPhone 11 for other helpful tips and tricks on that iPhone 11. That's all I got for you guys in this one. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.